Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve photo quality with Nano Banana. The first thing I want you to do is just open up Google Gemini, click here on New Chat, and then make sure you're using at least Flash 2.5 as the model. Click here on Tools, click on Create Images. As you can see, there's the banana icon. So this is Nano Banana. And to improve photo quality, I'll give you a few prompts that you can use and I'll show you how we will go ahead and use it. So here, for example, if you want a general quality boost, you can use this one. By the way, the prompts will be in the description. You can go and check it out and just copy paste. What I'll do in this case, I'll restore a low quality photo. Okay, we'll use this prompt. We'll remove all the blurs, things like that. We are going to sharpen the details, right? So we'll go back here to Gemini Nano Banana. We're going to drag and drop our image. This one is a little bit blurry, so let me open this up and show you, as you can see. And let's go ahead and edit this. We'll see the final product. So I'm going to drag and drop this, put in our prompt, as you can see right here, and then click here on submit. Now we'll give Gemini a few seconds to go ahead and work its magic. All right, here we go. It is actually done. And you can just download this and open it up in, a new tab right there, which I have. And let's compare it side by side. So this one, as you can see, it's a bit blurry, right? And this one is much smoother, much sharpened, less blur, as you can see. And that is how to improve photo quality with Nano Banana.